Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I promised, I am back with my Paris trip vlog. We spent 3 days in Paris, and here is what we did on day 1. We started our journey from Eindhoven, Netherlands with Flixbus. It was a long ride of 7 hours, but yes, it was not a boring ride because we passed by a beautiful country of Belgium. Since it was new to me, I got to see some interesting landmarks, which I obviously forgot to shoot. But don't worry, we'll have another trip to Belgium soon where I will take you through all the iconic places in Belgium. Now, back to my video. Almost at the middle of our journey, we stopped for 45 minutes for lunch where we ate some good foods. And after that, I fell asleep. When I got off, I was in Paris. This is our hotel, which we pre-booked from Airbnb. Let's have a look inside. Now, a quick room tour. This is a cute little room where we got bathroom. Yeah, excellent. Beside that, we have a kitchen, which is also good enough for 2 people. And this is a master bedroom. After 1 hour of rest, we headed towards our first destination, which is the most famous Luxembourg garden. On our way, we came across such buildings which are typical in Paris and signify its architectural charm. As we entered to the garden, we saw people chilling out as it was really hot evening. Luxembourg Garden is a beautiful and famous public park in Paris known for its stunning French formal gardens, fountains, and statues. The Luxembourg Palace, which houses the French Senate, is also situated within these gardens. This one is Medici Fountain, which is a notable feature within the Luxembourg garden. It is admired for its artistry and historical significance. That's it for day 1. We spent most of it in traveling and we were tired, but we saw a lot of exciting stuff the next day, which we will be releasing soon. Until then, stay tuned and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.